So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a little minion out of perler beads. So the things you need is 46 black perler beads, 40 blue perler beads, and 74 perler beads. Also, you guys need pegboard. This is 18 pegs by 18 pegs. My mini is going to be 18 pegs tall and 12 pegs wide. Of course, you also need baking paper and an iron. Also, I made a little diagram right here of what it's going to look like. I'm going to leave it in the corner. Let's get right started. Here's my little diagram. I'm going to grab the pegboard, and here we go. There we go, guys. Okay, I've finished now doing all of the beads. Now I'm going to go iron it. I'll see you soon. Here we go, guys. Here's the finished product. It's a cute little minion. You got a nice little smile, nice little feet, cute little hands too. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. And see you next time. Bye!